Okay.
Here's the fire pit. Good girl. Ooh.
That was for everybody.
You got a big backyard.
Happy 4th of July.
Hey, Justin, let's jump it. You want to jump it?
Jump
You-
it.
you
Just
go,
do it. Just do it.
Be careful, there's a
Do
bridge.
it.
Put your
Hey,
hair
do
up.
it. It's getting ready to go out.
Put
It's
your
getting
hair
ready
up in
to
your
go out.
hood.
Do it.
I'll fall on the brick. I'm not afraid of that.
I can't want to do it.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Dude, they look like WWF.
That totally looks like WWF.
So awesome.
Kasuik's wrong.
That was